Hey kittens, welcome back. I have another Luvme hair review for you. This time they gifted me their new fabulous Beyon-Celebrity Ombre lace front wig. It looks great in the photos, but let's see if it adds up to real life. You get that infamous purple box that Luvme hair is known for, and you get your hair that comes in a purple mesh bag. They also included a few goodies different than last time. This time around I got a plastic comb, a red scrunchie, and some silver bling hoop earrings, some mink lashes, reindeer nails, they didn't come with glue, and a phone ring. Right out of the package, I do notice that there is a slight color difference. On the website, the blonde looks more honey blonde, but in my hand, it looks more caramel. The unit comes with one comb on either side of the cap and then a comb in the back of the cap. It comes with an elastic band as well. This is not a 360 wig, but it does give you the option to lay the hair down at the nape of your neck with the lace provided. Here's the lace on my skin. For the most part, it disappears. Here I'm just popping it on to see how it looks right out of the box. It's not bad. Oh Lord. The ombre is bad. The website does say that the hairline is pre-plucked, but I don't know what their definition of pre-plucked is because this isn't pre-plucked to me. So I'll just go ahead and plug it myself, and then the length of the hair is 26 inches. I'm going to liberally spray the hair with cheese heat protectant spray. The hair isn't layered or curled how it is in the represented photo on the website, so I'm going to straighten it and then cut some layers into it. So I finished straightening hair, and oh my goodness, this color job is so bad. What is going on? In a sense, I feel like I'm being punked, and I would not consider this ombre at all. It's as if they laid out a bunch of bundles in a row and just bleached the bottom half of them, but didn't even leave the bleach on long enough. Didn't attempt to feather the color or nothing. So this is definitely one of those things in the future that I'm going to have to go and color correct myself when I have the product. For now, the only way to wear this wig and not look crazy is in a curled state. In this video, I'm not going to go into much detail on how I layered the wig because for the majority of the time I am out of shot, so you can't see what I'm doing. But if you are interested in how to cut layers in a wig, I'll provide a link down below of a video that I recommend you watch. Once the hair is layered how I want, I am taking my hot comb and pressing the hair back. This takes a few tries because it's a cheap hot comb from Target and it does not get nearly hot enough. I'm now going to take a comb and separate out some baby hairs. I'm going to separate those baby hairs with clips, and then I'm going to pluck the hairline. So learning moment for me, since I'm not a professional yet when it comes to wig installs, but I'm sure this process would have been a lot easier if I would have installed the wig on myself first and then went back and customized the hairline and took out my baby hairs. Well, you know, you live and learn. Installing my wig, and I'm doing the ball cap method. I'm using got to be glued hairspray because I don't have anything else, and we're just gonna make it work. Ooh, and then I'll get it. Use blow dryer. So my wig cap is being held down by the got to be glued hairspray, and I just went in and cut off the excess cap and added some got to be glued hair gel to the edge of it, and I'm blow drying it so that it lays flat. But as you can see, it's drying now. I'll cut off like this ear edge once it dries down some more because this part was lifting. So now I'm just going to do like my eye makeup. I'm not gonna do my foundation yet because I don't like to have like my face makeup done and then put on the wig, because then I feel like when you try to like lay the hairs, it looks kind of crazy because because like your foundation will mix with the product you're using to lay the edges down. It's just not cute. in my opinion. So I'm gonna do my eye makeup and I'll be right back. So right now is where you're about to see my learning moment. I followed a video on how to install a wig, and you know, not everything works for everyone, and this install video did not work for me because what are these baby hairs? I'm having an early Doja Cat wig moment right now. Okay, back to the review. Getting straight to the point, I'll give this wig 3 out of 5 stars. I ended up giving it bangs because I could not redeem the baby hairs. Anyways, is this wig worth the price tag that is listed on the website? I would say yes, you're getting exactly what you pay for, $209 worth of hair, and a very bad ombre color job. If you want amazing hair with amazing hair color, expect to pay $400 minimum for quality hair, and however much extra it is to pay someone to bleach the knots if the unit isn't already bleached, and to install it. But yeah, that's my review. Until next time, Alley Cats.